Hi guys, so I am back. This is the first time that I'm filming a makeup tutorial with this camera right now. It is the Canon SX730 and I've been vlogging with this camera if you've watched my previous Vlogmas videos. If not, check it out. I will have some of them linked in the description down below and they will be available to click on right at the end of this video. But as you can tell from the title, I got an IPSY bag and everything, so I figured that I would be doing kind of like an unboxing for you guys and just show you guys what I think of these products, I have dry skin, so these might not work out for you, these might, but they have a large variety, a large selection, depending on how you answer the questionnaire in your profile. But it's only $10 a month and you get 5 beauty products. This month, because of Christmas, you get 6. So let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I pulled out are these sheet masks. And this one is, and they're all from the Cream Shop. This one says Let It Glow, and it says Ultra Moisturizing Oil Mask. So I'm definitely going to be using that one. This one is called Oh Dear, and it's a detoxifying mask. And this last one is a clarifying mask, and it is Peppermint Cocoa. So I do like sheet masks, and I will be using these. Now let's get on into the bag. I actually liked the November bag a little bit better. It was a little bit more simple. I'm not super into like sparkly sequins or anything, and I will be doing a makeup look with these items right after I pull them out. So first of all, there is this, I have no idea how to pronounce this name. I think I'm gonna botch it, but it's Ciet, or Chianti Ciet, London, and it's a glitter flip liquid lipstick in the shade Infamous. Next, it's from Pacifica. It's a Rainbow Crystal Liquid Mineral Strobe Highlight in the shade Unicorn. And I got 2 brushes, 2 blending brushes. One is from the company Luxie, and the other one is from Farah. And this last item is a Steve Laurent Loose Powder Eyeshadow in the color Antique Olive. So first I'm going in and prepping my eyelids with this NYX eyeshadow base, and it is in the color Skin Tone. And I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f. fluffy brush and applying that on my eyelids. And you're going to want to do an eyeshadow base or an eyeshadow primer before you put on your eyeshadows. It's like one of the best techniques to pick up using, just because it makes your eyeshadow last longer. It doesn't like seep into your crease, and it makes your eyelids less oily. Okay, so now that we have our eyeshadow base on, first of all I'm going to be testing out the 2 blending brushes. So first I'm going to be testing the Farah blending brush, and it is in 35E. And I swatched this Steve Laurent, and I think it would be perfect on just the base of the eyelid in general, so I'm not going to take this up into the crease at all. So I'm going to go into the Kat Von D Lolita palette, and I'm going to take Hermosa and just put that on my crease. Okay, so now we are going to be taking the Luxie blending brush, and we're going into the shade, I want to go into the shade probably Corazon, and we are going to be doing that a little bit to darken up the outer part. Okay, so that is it for the brushes. I really like them and I can't wait to use them even more. Now I'm going in to the Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Highlight in the shade Unicorn. This is such cute packaging with little crystals everywhere. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's just really cute. And because it's liquid, I've never really used liquid, so I am just going to be putting them on like this. But they say that liquid makeup is better for dry skin, so let's see how this works. And just using a Real Techniques sponge to see. So the highlight is really nice. It kind of just like absorbed into my skin, and it's kind of like a glowing from it's kind of like a glowing from within kind of effect. Now onto the Steve Laurent eyeshadow in Antique Olive. I'm just going to be taking a flat packing brush and putting that on the lid. I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys that I did swatch it, but the swatch didn't do it justice compared to actually applying it to your eyelid with the eyeshadow primer and everything. So I'm just going to put on some eyeliner, eyelashes, and the lip on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so that is it for this makeup look and unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!